For loops execute a block of code a specific number of times using a counter variable that automatically increments with each iteration. So for example, if you want to display a message 10 times, instead of writing console.writeLine 10 times, you can write it once and let a for loop repeat it 10 times. A for loop has three parts. It has a start, condition, and a step. For example, this loop in here will start at 1, it will run until I is less than or equal to 10 and adds 1 each time. The I, short for index, is a counter. It starts at the first value, checks the condition, and goes up after each round. Use for loops whenever you need to repeat something a specific number of times, like counting, iterating through arrays, or processing collections where you need the index.